Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your ICT teacher. So in previous session we discussed about mail merge, features of mail merge and various documents that we can use in mail merge like main document, data source and merge document. In this session we will discuss about how to perform mail merge by using step-by-step mail merge wizard. So let's start with the topic. First of all, we have to open a blank document in MS Word. So you can start with File, New, Blank Document. So it will show a document. So to start with Mail Merge, you have to click on Mailing tab. Then these all are the options related to creating Mail Merge. We can perform mail merge operation in so many ways. That means we can perform mail merge manually by creating a data source separately, main document separately, and perform merge operation after that. And MS Word also support step-by-step wizard to create to perform mail merge. So first of all, we'll use step-by-step mail merge wizard. So after clicking on mailing tab, you have to click on start mail merge option. Then these all are the options we'll discuss later. So first we'll start with step-by-step mail merge wizard. Then after that, in this right side, they will open a wizard options. First of all, select document type. That means you have to select what kind of main document that you want to create. For example, we are having options like letter. If you want to create a letter that you want to send to multiple people, email message if you want to write email message, or if you want to create a letter envelope, label or directory. So first we'll start with letter. If you want to send some letter to someone, then you have to type some letter in this section. So I'm already having some contents, so I'll paste. So for example, this letter, I wrote this letter. This letter contains some common contents that we want to send to multiple people and having some dummy fields. For example, this section will send to all. This section is common that we want to send to all these sections. Only the contents that will be changed for each letter is the title of person to whom you want to send, the name, surname of the person to whom you want to send, and the address of that person, and after this dear message, dear, and the name of same person to whom you want to send. So if you want to send the same letter to 10 different people, instead of typing same matter 10 times on different 10 pages, you can create a list of 10 people and write this matter only once. Then after that, if you will merge this main document to that data source list, to the list of person, then if you will merge both documents, then it will MS Word will automatically create 10 pages by changing these dummy fields with the actual records, actual names from. So first what you have to start, you have to write these contents on your letter and with the dummy fields. Then after selecting letter, you have to write this content on the main page. Then after that you have to click on next. Next they will ask you about starting document. Use the current document, start from the template, start from the existing document. That means use the current document. Current document means whatever you have typed on the document you want to send the same contents to someone. If you already have some document that you want to send, then you have to select this radio button. But in this case we want to use this content that we want to send, then we'll use the current document. So without any making any change, you have to click on next button. Then after that, select the recipients. That means we have to select a list of those persons to whom you want to send this letter. So if you are already having a list, then you can use that one. But in this case, we are not having any list. So we'll type a new list, click on type a new list, then create. This list actually is the list of those persons to whom we want to send this letter. So we have selected type a new list, then click on create. When you will click on create option, then it will open a dialog, and we are having some common fields here like title, first name, last name, company name. But I don't want all these fields because we need only title, first name, surname, address. That means we want only 4 fields. So here we are having so many dummy fields, so we can customize these fields according to the requirement. So click on customize column. You have to click on this button. So we need title, then it's okay. We need first name, it's okay. We don't want last name, then we'll remove that, delete, yes. So we don't want email address, so you will delete. Work phone, delete it. Home phone, delete it. Country or region, delete. Zip code, delete this one. We don't want state, city. We want address only, one address only for this one. We don't want company name, then delete this one. And presently we are having title, first name, address, but we are not having surname in this list, so you can add type surname, press OK. Then now we are having 4 fields according to this letter. Then after choosing the specified or adding the specified fields, click OK. Then now you can see we are having same fields that those are present in this letter. So well, now we will add some records. Let's suppose Mr. Rahul Mr. So now we are having 4 records. So you can add any number of records in this list. So we add only 4 records. Then press after adding the required number of records, then you will click on OK. Then you have to save this list wherever you want. So we'll add this list on in video lectures one. Then I will write the name my list. Then this list will be saved as with the MDB extension or ACCDB extension inside the MSSS database. So press save button. Now we are having these records. So after that one, you will click OK. Then next. After that, after creating this list, now we are having, now you can see in this right hand insert field, insert merge field inside, we are having the same field that we add in that we have already added in that list. So now what you have to do, you have to replace these dummy fields with these fields. So finally what you have to do, you have to select this title, only this one, then click on insert merge field, press title. Now you can see the change in this field. Then next, select this one, insert first name. These are also dummy fields. After you will perform merge operation, these dummy fields will be replaced by the values that we have inserted in the field in that list. Then click on address, insert. You can also add number of spaces that you want. Now dear, you can also add here first name. You can place these dummy fields any number of time inside the document. Let's suppose we want dear and again the same name, then you have to click on insert field and first name also. So now we have selected these names from this insert field option. Now the document is ready, the list is ready, and we have replaced those dummy field with the field from this list. Now next step, finally what you have to do, you have to click in this finish section, finish and merge, click on this one. Then we are having some options like print the document. If you are having printer attached to your computer, then you can click on this option, and this it will print the merged document directly. It will send the merged document directly to the printer for printing purpose. Or you can also send email message. If you are connected to internet, then you will click on this one, send email message. Then after performing merge operation, it will automatically send these all merged document to as an email message to the recipients. The next, but we'll use edit individual document if you want to merge and save the documents. So click on edit individual documents. We want to merge this document with all the records and lists, so select this all option which is already selected, then click OK. After pressing OK, you will see these dummy fields will be automatically replaced with the record from that list. So now finally I will click OK. Now you can see those dummy fields are now replaced with Mr. Rahul, first record from that. Next, on the next page, same contents with the contents are same but with different name from that list. Next and next. That means after performing merge operation, it will merge that main document with the list that we have that contain the records of recipients, and after performing merge operation, it will create number of pages according to the number of records available in that list. So that was all about performing mail merge operation using step-by-step wizard. In next session, we'll discuss how to manually create main document, how to manually create a list of the recipients, and how we can manually perform mail merge operation. But in this session, we have discussed only step-by-step mail merge wizard. So if you are having any kind of doubt related to this topic, then you feel free to contact me. Otherwise, do the same at your home, practice it, and thank you very much.